The following segment is sponsored by Dreamscapes. I am here at Dreamscapes at the shops at South Towne Mall talking with Derek, who is the Executive Director of the Utah Arts Alliance. Derek, great to see you.
Great to see you. Thanks for coming.
This is so much fun. I do not want to leave here, but I know we only have a few minutes to talk with you. So tell me what Dreamscapes is.
So Dreamscapes is an immersive art experience. It's kind of like being in Wonderland or Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. It's just an amazing, beautiful place. It makes you happy. There's a narrative storyline behind it, so you can kind of follow the story, or you can just enjoy all of the beautiful installation work, and it's just a fun, amazing place to visit.
Well, and every room is different that you walk into, meaning themes, colors, lights. Let's talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, so the entire place is kind of based around the hero's journey idea, and so you journey through these different lands and places. So you're underwater at some point. Right now we're in the Candy Core, and so there's all these different kind of places that you get to experience, and then following through that is a narrative storyline. So you get to meet these different characters and kind of get to interact with the story, and you're actually the hero of the story in this case, and so it's a really fun, unique experience.
So cool. Let's walk over here a little bit. I want to take a look at this Candyland wall. That is so fun over there. It looks like little gumdrops are on the entire thing with the giant suckers and the trolls. Do you have a favorite room, Derek, and how do you pick?
Yeah, so there's 23 different rooms. They're all amazing. They're all totally different, and so it's really hard to have a favorite. This room is really fun. I'm seeing this room showing up on a lot of people's Instagrams in the future.
Oh my gosh, speaking of that, absolutely. You're going to want to take photos all over. I bet this will be my 5-year-old's favorite room for sure.
And we encourage photo taking. That's part of this whole experience, is you making your own art out of the photos that you take in the space, and so that's an important part of it.
You're going to want to take a lot of photos. I mean, look at all the stuffed animals. This would take days to put all of this together. The details are incredible, great for all ages, so much fun for the family. And I'm going to head over and talk to Ashley, who's in a different section of Dreamscape, so we can get a little sneak peek. Derek, thanks so much.
All right, thanks for being here.
Hi, Ashley.
Hello, welcome. Well, let's head this way. I have more fun stuff to show you.
The beads, of course. Wow. Okay, this is totally different than what we saw before. Tell us about this room.
Yeah, so this is our altered altar room. I think it's a great example of collaborative art that we do here at Dreamscapes, and every room is so different. Like, we have an underwater room, there's a light labyrinth, there's an infinity hallway, so it's just, every room is a different dream.
Well, and what I love is we're supporting artists, too, because they get to individually create these rooms, and so you get to kind of see their vision. Let's walk over here. I love the stained glass look over here, the angels. Okay, we're coming into what I would call a red room, but tell me about this room.
Yeah, so I think this is a great example of our reimagining and recycling materials. So we have a lot of community partners. We work with the Salt Palace and 3Form and Habitat for Humanity to find all this cool stuff, and then we reimagine it and turn it into beautiful pieces like this.
Like absolutely stunning pieces. Do you have a favorite area? I know that's hard to pick, but do you have a favorite
really
room?
Hard. I do think this one is one of my favorites, and I think the Candy Core you were in earlier was definitely one of my favorites too.
Well, and it's great for all ages. I mean, what an amazing date night this would be. You know, bring your parents down too, the family. It's great for everyone. And you're going to be here for a minute too, so you want to get memberships. How does that work?
Yeah, so we have a single membership, we have a duo membership, and also a family 4-pack. And you're welcome to come as many times as you like for an entire year. You could literally come every single day. And then you also get tickets to our immersive events that we do in the space as well as discounts for all of our merchandise.
So throughout the year, you'll have like dance parties and things too, you were saying?
Yeah.
So fun. Okay, and where can we get tickets right now? Because the grand opening is today.
Today. So go to dreamscapes.org and get your tickets right now.
Okay, thanks so much, Ash. Great to see you.